Making the perfect marinade for your chicken goes a long way in determining how it'll turn out in the end. Hi, and welcome to Dobby's Signature. In this video, I will show you how to make the best chicken marinade. It's a simple, easy, and flavorful chicken marinade that works for grilling, baking, or pan frying. In a bowl, combine the onion powder, ginger powder, paprika powder, chicken seasoning, nutmeg, salt, garlic, soy sauce, and cooking oil. Mix the marinade. Place the chicken in a grilling pan. For this, I used a cast iron pan. Brush the marinade all over the chicken and ensure each piece is well coated. Leave this to marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. For deeper flavor, marinate for 2 to 4 hours or overnight. Cook the chicken by grilling, baking, or pan frying. The grilling time and temperature for chicken depend on the cut of the chicken and whether you're using a grill pan, gas grill, or charcoal grill. For this, I grilled in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius to 200 degrees Celsius, for about 25 minutes. Here are some useful tips. You can adjust seasonings based on your preference. Add honey or brown sugar for a sweet touch, or extra chili for more heat. You can use any leftover marinade as a basting sauce during cooking or after, but ensure it's boiled to eliminate bacteria. Now you can enjoy flavorful and juicy chicken. If you enjoyed watching this video, do give me a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss upcoming posts. Till next time, bye-bye.